So first, what is calculator? So if you observe here in the definition, the calculator is very handy tools that will help you do to do simple arithmetic calculations. So there are four arithmetic are there. We call it as in mathematics or in computers also, plus, minus, into, slash. Max also we call it as a addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So by using simple calculator and in order to do certain other mathematical computations, you can use scientific calculator that can be accessed by selecting scientific options under view menu. So how to start calculator? See, I will show you. So there are two types of calculators are there. One is the simple calculator, another is the scientific calculator. Okay, so coming practical, I will show you. So to open the calculator in Windows 7 or Windows 10, you type the simple calculator, or Windows 10, just you go to the start button and you select the all programs, then you go to the accessories. Okay, so here you will get the calculator. Just you click here, same what is the in the diagram, you will find the same one here. So this is the calculator. I will show the simple mathematics. First 1 plus 2, so just you click 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Similarly 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, next multiplication table, for example 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Okay, next division 100 by 4, 25. So this is the simple calculation we can use, as we use in shop keep in shops also, simple for mathematics. So if you want to use mathematical scientific, just you go to the view and you select the scientific, or else you can press alt plus 2. So this is the scientific calculator. If you are familiar with the max, you can easily, for example 8 square, 8 8 ja 64, so 9 9 ja 81, like this. So this is called factorial. So 3 factorial. Okay, so 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 1 into 2, 2, 2 3 is 6. So you click 3 and here click the factorial. Similarly, if you want to find 5 factorial, 5 factorial means 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5. Okay, so just you click here. Okay, like cube also, cube 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So this is the sign. Like this you can use the calculator. Suppose again you want to go to standard, just press alt to plus 1 or standard. So this is the simple calculation. Percentage also you can calculate. This is a memory. So if you want to okay, see, if you press it will come to the 0. In this way you can use the both standard calculator and scientific calculator. Okay, once again I will show how to start calculator. Click on start button, step 1. Step 2, select all programs, then go to the accessories. So remember students, accessories spelling is very important. ACCESSORIES, pronunciation also accessories. Okay, then you go select the calculator. So there are two types of calculators are there. One is the standard, another one is the scientific calculator. So this is the standard calculator and this is the scientific calculator. So in this way we can use calculator also in computer, in Windows 7 operating system. So coming to the next topic, on screen keyboard. So so this is a simple and on screen keyboard. Sometime it happened that your keyboard is not working. In such case you can use on screen keyboard to enter simple text by just clicking the particular keys using the mouse. The on-screen keyboard can be found under easy of access under accessories section. So this is the on-screen keyboard. Okay, suppose whenever the keyboard is not working and you want to type, you can use this on-screen keyboard, and with the mouse click you can type. Here I will show you practical how to use. First, how to start on-screen keyboard. First, same, click on the start button. Then this is very important, all programs. Then go to the accessories. In that, here you will find easy of access. Here you click here. Here you will find the on-screen keyboard. Once again I will show you. Click on the start button, all programs, accessories, and easy of access, and on-screen keyboard. Now you click here. Okay, this is the same keyboard. Okay, then here I will show how to use. Then here I am opening Notepad. Okay, now here I am taking same as it is keyboard. So shift first letter, today. So backspace also you can use, today. Space is first letter, yes, U N D A Y. Today is Sunday. Enter. Same you can use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to type 10, just simple type. Click on 1 and 0. So enter. Similarly, ABCD, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Then enter. Okay. So similarly, capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Same. Similarly, you can use this one, backspace, delete, shift also you can use. Okay. So in this way you can use the on-screen keyboard. So next to last one is the magnifier. Okay. So magnifier, I will show you. So you can magnify the content, zoom, we call it as zoom. You can magnify the content of the screen by using the magnify tool that can be accessed under essay of accessories. Okay, so practically I will show you how to use this magnifier. If you observe here, so these are the screen. It's looking very small. It is somewhat possible visible. It's not possible to see this. Now I'm going to use a magnifier. Okay, just same. Click on the start button, all programs, then click on the accessories, same, easy off access, and you select the magnify. Okay, now see here. So computer I'm showing, modem. Okay, so network, these are the folders, files. Okay, so Photoshop. Okay, modem, like this also you can see here. Okay, so keyboard, so this is the start button, any desk, this is a folder, and this is called the Mozilla Firefox, OBS, screen recording, Google Chrome, which I am showing you, and this is Acrobat, this is PowerPoint, and this is the magnify, and this is the notepad. Similarly, here you can set the language. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi, and now this is the time. See here, 11:28. Now I'm making the video. I'm just showing you 15th January. Now, if you want to same position, just right click. Okay, and here you can select the position. So default is the zoom out 100%. See here 100%. So if you want to make zoom in 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, like this. So if you want to zoom out, click 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 200 and 100 is the default. Okay, so you cannot go 15 like that. So in this way you can use the magnifier also. Now once again I will show you how to screen. Now this I am going to show you. So what is this file name? Okay, so just you click here plus, and you can move the your mouse pointer, you will find this one. Similarly, if you want to open my computer, see here is showing very big local disk, local D. Again you go to the documents, music, very big pictures. So see folder is good looking, very big in size. Okay, so using keyboard, just if you want to make simple, press the escape button. Okay, or else you click here, you click on the minus button. So in this way you can use the magnifier. Okay, so computer, so this is the computer. So in this topic, in this class we will discuss about the calculator, on screen keyboard and magnifier. Okay, so students, please practice this practically. If you have any doubt, please you can ask me. Okay, thank you for watching this my video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share this video to your friends, relatives. Okay, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.